Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I am in the process of deep cleaning my whole house. Today I am started in our master bathroom. As you all can see, it is a hot mess. It literally took me about 4 or 5 hours just to really deep clean this bathroom, but let me stop rambling and let you guys enjoy this video. So the first thing I do when I clean my bathroom is sweep the floor. I tend to get the floor extremely wet, so I don't want to be sweeping up any wet trash once I'm done cleaning the whole bathroom. Every time I clean our bathroom, I do wash the shower curtain. The shower curtain is like the ones that you will see in like the hotel, so it is machine washable. I am removing everything out of the shower, including the shower caddy. I am going to go ahead and deep clean that shower caddy also, but I really want to get the shower walls and really scrub it. So I picked up this Zep antibacterial disinfectant from Lowe's, and I like it. It works pretty well. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I always make my water, and what that means is I just fill up the sink with water, and then I'll fill it with an all-purpose liquid, and then I'll wipe everything down. I do not like to just only spray my countertops or anything in the bathroom. I don't feel like that's effective. I don't feel like that cleans anything. So I have been taught to just make water. That is what my mom used to do, so I had gotten in the habit of doing it. I am also using this Microban bathroom cleaner. Guys, this stuff right here, yes honey. So I'm just scrubbing all of the shelves that came off of the shower caddy, and you guys, honey, these things were so filthy. Like the way they are, you can't really see up into them, but when I took them off, I was like, oh my. So in one of my other videos, I had asked you guys how I can clean out inside of these knobs, and someone told me, and you guys, I am obsessed with taking this apart and just scrub it inside of it. It makes me so happy. You guys do see me struggling with trying to get this off. It is a little hard, but I take it off now like every time I clean the bathroom. I am obsessed. So thank you to whoever told me that. You just changed my life. Now onto the tub. I am really going to go ahead and deep clean this. I have the Zep once again, and I'm also going to go ahead and clean out our trash can that belongs inside of the bathroom. I am also using the Microban, bathroom Microban cleaner, and it's really good like I said before. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and really clean this shower caddy, give it a good wipe me down and also a good scrub.
No sé qué tú ves en mí, mi amor. Ya no dejes de mirarme, que ya me gusta quién soy. Contigo me siento en control. Eres el balance en este mundo, poco humor. Se volvió ese chico que habló en mis canciones. Esas madrugadas y hermosas conversaciones. Se volvió ese chico que quería ver otra vez y me enamoré a volverlo a ver. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele.
So I am spraying the shower walls with bleach because sometimes it does get like a little mildew up there since we don't have a window in here circulating air. But you guys, I hate washing walls. When I was younger, my mom used to make us wash the walls all the time, and I just grew to hate it. Like, I love cleaning, but something about washing walls I just do not like.
Tú solo sabes, momentos que siento reales. Yo lo prefiero que en un largo tiempo sea tu caballero.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme.
So a while back I had mixed some products in the tub that turned it yellow, so I have been scrubbing like crazy to get this yellow stain off. I have done it before when I accidentally mixed the Grove Collaborative towel cleaner with other products. That stuff cannot be mixed with anything, you guys, because it will stain your tub. But I am just gonna go ahead and use like this brass steel brush, and it came off pretty well to me.
Pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Tú me curas cuando más me duele. Sé que siempre has sabido amarme. Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in.
So I think I spent about 20 or 30 minutes, maybe more time, just trying to get this shower wall white, like extremely white. I was just a scrubbing, you guys, as you all can see, but it did take me a long time. I took about, I want to say 30 or more minutes just to clean the shower in the tub.
Going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder.
So right where the shower wall ends, I do believe I wiped off too much of the paint in that area. As you all can see, I do wipe that area quite often, but let me tell you guys about this mop. This thing totally sucks. Like, it kept on breaking, like the pole part would come off of the pad part. I took it back. I'd never use anything and then take it back, but it was just awful. I do not recommend that product. I did pick it up from Target. It was only 15 bucks, but I felt like I spent my money on something that I was expecting to work, and it didn't work, so I took it back. So the spots on the door is where we hang our towels, and of course the paint has rubbed off of the door also. Now I'm going to go ahead and use one of my brushes just to scrub the baseboards, get all of that gunk that has built up around there. I won't lie, I do not clean these often as I should. I probably clean them once every 6 months. I do not like to clean anything that has to do with the wall, you guys.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend.
This medicine cabinet is another spot that I don't clean out often. I do not keep anything in here. Everything in here is for my husband. Well, I take that back. I do keep one thing in there, and that's one of my Mario Badescu things. But other than that, my husband uses this. I don't keep anything in here, so I don't clean it that often because I don't look in it that often.
Me, oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we are done.
Now that everything is clean in the bathroom, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my sink and countertop one more time.
Back together. Oh, you're the trigger to my gun. Like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face.
After I let all of the products that I cleaned the shower and tub with soak, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it all out.
Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Gloria, please, oh Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Why do everything that's good in
So the very last thing that I clean in my bathroom is the toilet, simply because I do not want to be cross-contaminating with this rag. This will be the last time I use this rag. I do change rags out once everything is clean, and then I'll go ahead and spray everything with Method Anti-Bac and let it soak for 10 minutes and then wipe it down one more time with a clean rag.
my name? And you say, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please, don't cry for me. Don't cry for me. Oh.
I did clean the wall behind the toilet, but I couldn't find a good spot to put my camera in and let you guys see, so it is not shown on camera, but know that I did get behind there.
Gloria, Gloria, please, when you pronounce my name, oh Gloria, please, don't cry for me.
So after about 4 to 5 hours of deep cleaning our bathroom, here are the end results before I put up our decorative shower curtain and some rugs. But let me know in the comments below if you love motivational cleaning videos, and I want to thank you all so very much for watching. If you found this video motivating or enjoyed watching me clean, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend or two that may need some cleaning motivation. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, because I do post a cleaning video at least once a week. But I'll talk to you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you know you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know, you know you're beautiful, you know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out, you're beautiful.